Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to talk to you about why you should start your own grills business. Now, starting your own grills business is a good way to get started in the jewelry industry. So if that's something that you would like to do, then this video should be a good start for you. My name is Terrell the Jeweler. If you're not familiar with this page or you're new to us, make sure that you like and subscribe to this video because we make a bunch of videos on starting your own grills and jewelry business. So my honest opinion, I say that grills businesses is a faster way to get into the jewelry industry. And the reason why I say that is because it costs less to get equipment and to get started. So the equipment for making jewelry is a bit more industrial, but when it comes to making grills, it's a little bit more simple and you can easily get started, taking mold impressions, waxing, casting, finishing, polishing. On another note, most people start out this way. When I got into grills and to the jewelry industry, I started out in grills, and what it did was allow me to understand the business first and then to actually grow into making jewelry. It was easy for me to start working with my hands right away and then to start getting to 3D CAD and casting my own pendants and actually making chains. It's going to be easier for you to get sales from customers. It's easier for you to build trust with your clients rather than jewelry clients. Now, when it comes to jewelry clients that want to get custom jewelry made, they rather really go with someone with a trusted name. So most people, when they think of custom jewelry, it's already in the mind share. So the mind share is when someone think of something like, hey, I want to get some custom jewelry, who's the first person I'm gonna think of? They're gonna think of someone like Benballer, they're gonna think of someone like Icebox, Avianico. Some of these businesses is the first thing they're gonna think of, and it's hard for you to actually compete with them. Grills are cheaper for customers to get. Now that, customers sometimes, they don't want to spend too much, they have a lower budget, they can get a custom grill. It can just be all gold, and the price can be really low opposed to getting a chain that's going to be $500 to $1,000 or $1,500 to $2,000. You can get a grill for about $300 or less than that in some areas. So it's easier for a customer to actually get a piece of jewelry by buying grills and starting out that way. Since it's a fashion trend, some customers that, everybody wants to wear it. Since one celebrity worn it, everybody else want to wear it as well. So they'll be able to come to you in order to buy a custom grill. Most people like to hear about interesting things. So if you're in an area, you just open up your grills business, when you start telling everybody about it, they're more interested in finding out about your business because it's different. And like I said, it's a fashion trend and most people want to jump on a new thing that just showed up. It's another form of art. So if you're an artist and you want to be very creative, you can be creative all you want on grills. You can make different designs, you can make cutouts, you can add diamonds, you can paint on the grills, do enamel. So you can do all kind of crazy stuff, doing fangs. So if you're an artist, you can be creative and start making grills. One person I'd like for you guys to check out is actually Dolly Cohen. She's a famous grills artist and she made grills for Beyonce, Rihanna, Trey Songz, a lot of celebrities and artists. You can still make millions in the grills business. When you get into diamonds, when you get into full teeth like 6 on 6, 12 on 12, and then you busting them down in diamonds, the price go up, so you become a millionaire. So look at people like Benballer and Johnny Dang. They've been selling grills for years and they're making a lot of money on it. Definitely Johnny Dang. He's started his business with grills and now he's taken off into the jewelry industry. Another good thing is that it's a less saturated market. There's a lot of emerging jewelers out there. Everyone wants to make jewelry, everyone wants to sell VVS diamonds. So you don't have to compete with them. And most people don't know how to make grills. And you take a class on that and then you can get into the jewelry industry. Grills will never die. You will always have a customer. There's always people out there looking to get grills done. There's more celebrities out here wearing grills and social media is out here promoting. There's no way that grills is going to slow down. But there are more people out here trying to learn how to get into the grills industry. If you notice that a lot of these professional jewelers are starting to sell grills because they see it's very lucrative. So you might want to hurry up and jump into the grills industry. If you want to learn how to make grills, click the link below. We have a school called Grillz University, and that will help you learn how to make grills and get started in the industry. We also have jewelry training to where though you learn the grills, you can get started in making jewelry. If you're getting started in this business, it's very lucrative, it's fun, you meet a lot of clients, people will love you because you're actually making the jewelry yourself and doing it by hand. That's how I started out, and I love the business. Now I can actually help and teach the business to others. If you're new here, make sure you like and subscribe to this video. I'll have more videos for you guys, and make sure that you watch the next one.